name is Dana Fatima. I am studying in 6th grade. My topic is Science Project Germinations. Germination, the process by which a dormant embryo in a seed develops into a young plant or seedling. Conditions necessary for germinations. Seeds required a temperate water, oxygen and a suitable temperature for germinations. Water is associated by the seed coat which then swells up and crackles open. Then the radicule and plumule with the embryo is easy. Oxygen. Seeds require oxygen to be able to realize energy from the stored food through a process called respirations. Temperature. The temperature at which seed germinate varies from seed to seed. The optimum temperature germination is 10 degrees and 35 degrees. It is known as planule and the downer part is known as seed. It is radicule and the main part is our root. It is known as cotyledon and it is known as plumule. It is a seed, it is radicule and it is a root. Thank you.